Hey guys, Rad Performance Swepco. Today we're going to be reviewing these $8 cheapy-to-do Amazon pillow tape grips. I already removed the one. It slid right off. It was very easy. I think I have an aftermarket bar. I believe it's a Renthal. But I gotta say, this kind of just goes on very easy. That's actually perfect positioning too. Depending on how you feel, you may want to add, I think there's special adhesive for this, or you could probably just use any normal adhesive from the local store. But that's pretty good right there. And then now I'm gonna show you how to take off the throttle. So I just pulled this out, that's in there. Your bike might not have this. So after careful consideration, I've decided to cut it, not to damage the throttle mechanism. And since this thing's pretty old and shot anyway. So guys, I put a little bit of oil on this and a little bit of white grease. You could probably just use the oil, and then I was very careful to fit it over the end without having, don't want to break anything, obviously. And then now I'm just sliding it down. Maybe I'll add a little more oil, and then you just want to be gentle because this is your throttle. Okay guys, so it is as simple as that. And then now they're in, they're tight, throttle's good. I don't think these are going to be sliding off. They're pretty good with their tight tolerance fit. This one, you're gonna get two. They're actually different sizes, so you just want to make sure the tight one, it's a little bit smaller on the inner diameter, slides on this nice and tight, and the other one, you should be able to put some oil and fit it over your throttle assembly, and then you're good to go. Alrighty guys, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps someone. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you that yes, you can get away with the $8 cheapy-to-do Pro Taper imitation pillow top handle grips. $8 ready, installed, feels good, looks good, and I'll definitely say I'm sure it's gonna ride good. I've had the real ones, these aren't much different. So you know what? It's worth the $4 a piece. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for all the support and all you new subs, and I'll see you guys in the next video.